everybody, I'm Kate with Crate Insider, and today I'm here with Buck Parker from Daytona 1, and we're taking a look at the Daytona 1 Racing Power Steering Fluid with Defrictionators.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about this product, Buck.
Well, of course, we made this ideally initially for the Cup cars because they have such a small pump and they pump so hard, and you have to make it where it. Well, number one, it's a Group 5 base stock. Is one of the best base stocks. It's got the best additive package you can imagine, but it doesn't cavitate. And when the big thing for you guys out there, it's all you need to know. Number one, it pumps good, it keeps everything cool, and it won't cavitate. Which when cavitation causes bubbles cause you problems in a power steering pump. So you need to stay away from anything that doesn't stand up to the heat and the pressure, because when some of these oils get really hot, they lose their additive package. When they lose their additive package, part of that is the anti-foaming agent that's in here, and when they lose that, you're gonna get cavitation. So.
And cavitation really is foam. It's air bubbles.
Air bubbles.
And we definitely do not want that. That's a bad deal.
Especially with what these pumps cost now. Goodness gracious.
Oh.
some of these pumps are very expensive, so you need to protect them. And you can't get a better product anywhere than this product right here to protect your pump and to do a great job for you.
Well, and you've actually coined the term Defrictionator. So tell us about what a Defrictionator is.
Well, it's basically, number one, we that is our word, Defrictionator. So if anybody says they have Defrictionators, they're going to tell you a story, because we're the only one that can have Defrictionators.
Yes.
But having that said, it's a group. It's an additive package that takes friction away from any piece of metal that you're running now. For instance, a lot of these pumps have aluminum, brass, and steel in them. All right, so the additive package that you'd use to stop brass or aluminum is totally different than the additive package for steel. So so when you're building these, you have to take into consideration what we utilize, a tribologist and lubrication engineers, and I'm a member of the STLE, which is that tribologists and lubrication engineers, but we utilize all the standards that we understand to build this product. That bottom line, all you got to do is know is it works, it handles heat, it's going to protect your pump, and you're not going to get cavitation.
And the last thing to know is you can find this at CrateInsider.com, and you can pick up a bottle today. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them into the comments, and I'll get back together with Buck, and we'll get those questions answered for you. So thank you so much today for your time today, Buck.
Thanks a lot. Thank y'all. See you.